What if I told you there's an herb in your kitchen that can boost your memory and help you relax and recharge after a demanding day? As you look for solutions in pharmacies and doctor's offices, don't overlook a home remedy that nature offers: rosemary. Its potential in combating some common diseases has intrigued researchers. Does it sound too promising? Today, we're uncovering the wonders of rosemary, an herb that not only adds flavor to your meals, but also brings remarkable health benefits that scientists continue to discover. Additionally, at the end of the video, we'll share the best way to prepare rosemary tea so you can enjoy all its benefits. Is rosemary consumption safe for everyone? Or are there groups that should be cautious about consuming it? Curious? Then don't delay and watch the video now. But first, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's make this the most liked video on the channel ever. Have you already consumed rosemary in your daily life? What part of the world are you from? After you've watched the video, drop a comment below so we can get to know each other better. Now, let's look at the 6 remarkable health benefits of rosemary based on evidence. 1. A strong supporter for your liver. The liver, a vital organ in our body, plays a crucial role in filtering out toxins and producing essential compounds. Rosemary contains carnosic and rosmarinic acids, which are known for their ability to protect the liver from oxidative stress, a condition caused by excess toxins that can lead to serious health issues. By stimulating bile production, rosemary helps digest fats and prevents their buildup in the liver, reducing the risk of fatty liver disease. This makes rosemary an amazing support for maintaining a healthy liver. Before we continue, I've got some exciting news to share. If you want to get more engaged, I'm excited to inform you that we now offer channel membership. As a member, you'll pay a small monthly fee and unlock some amazing perks like early access to new videos, priority replies to your comments, members-only shorts, polls, quizzes, and special emojis and loyalty badges just for you. It's a fantastic way to support the channel and connect with us even more. Just click the join button and let's make this experience even better together. 2. Boosts appetite and energy. Feeling tired or lacking appetite? Rosemary acts as a natural stimulant for both body and mind. It contains cineol, borneol, and camphene, which enhance blood circulation in the digestive system, helping you absorb nutrients better and even boosting your appetite. This is especially beneficial for those needing extra nutrients or struggling with low energy. The simple act of inhaling rosemary's aroma can activate the limbic system, the part of the brain related to emotions and hunger, which explains why just smelling rosemary makes you want to eat. Plus, it has mild diuretic properties that help reduce bloating, giving you an energized, light feeling throughout the day. 3. Antiseptic and astringent properties. Rosemary's phenolic compounds and terpenes make it a potent antiseptic and astringent. Rosmarinic acid, for example, has strong antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects, while cineol and pinene fight against bacteria and fungi. This makes rosemary a useful ally in preventing skin infections and keeping your skin toned and clear. Its astringent qualities help control excess oil and can be effective in treating acne, leaving the skin more balanced and healthy. 4. Supports the central nervous system. If you're feeling mentally drained, rosemary might be the perfect natural pick-me-up. Thanks to cineol, rosemary enhances blood flow to the brain, which is crucial for memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. Especially helpful for students or anyone in a mentally demanding job, rosemary has been used as a memory aid for centuries, and studies in aromatherapy have supported some of these claims. Rosemary also helps balance key neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which are essential for mood regulation. Neurotransmitters are the brain's chemical messengers, responsible for transmitting information between neurons across the synaptic cleft, the space that separates individual neurons. To convey information, neurons generate electrical impulses that travel along a chain of neurons. However, when these impulses reach the synaptic cleft, they cannot simply jump across this gap. To overcome this obstacle and ensure the continuation of information transmission, neurons rely on neurotransmitters, which are released into the synaptic cleft and bind to receptors on the adjacent neuron. This process allows the electrical signal to be effectively converted into a chemical message, ensuring seamless communication throughout the nervous system. A study involving 80 adults compared the effects of drinking 250 milliliters of rosemary water versus mineral water. Participants who consumed rosemary water showed a modest improvement in cognitive function compared to those who drank mineral water. This means that rosemary, whether consumed as tea or used as aromatherapy, can help reduce stress and anxiety, allowing you to stay sharp and focused. On our Instagram, we have a post about a DIY aromatic rosemary spray recipe for relaxation, showing how the spray can help you relax and enhance concentration at home or in the office. So make sure you check that out too. Be sure to follow us on Instagram for exclusive health tips and extra content. 5. Fights depression. Depression is a growing concern in today's busy world, often exacerbated by heavy workloads and constant stress. Natural remedies like rosemary are gaining popularity as they come with fewer side effects compared to pharmaceutical options. With its stimulating effect on the central nervous system, rosemary helps combat lethargy and improve mood, making it a helpful ally for those experiencing mild symptoms of depression. Remember, while rosemary is a wonderful complementary aid, it's important to consult a doctor if you're experiencing persistent symptoms. Many studies indicate that the polyphenols found in rosemary possess antidepressant and anti-anxiety effects. This is why inhaling rosemary oil is often suggested as a remedy for stress. 6. Eases digestive discomfort. Rosemary is a great remedy for digestive issues, particularly in reducing gas and bloating. Its active compounds, such as borneol and rosmarinic acid, help relax intestinal muscles and improve digestion, which helps alleviate discomfort. Thanks to its antibacterial properties, rosemary also helps control the growth of gas-producing bacteria in the intestines, making it a perfect companion after a heavy meal. Research conducted on mice indicates that rosemary extract may help decrease inflammation in the digestive tract, suggesting it could be beneficial for individuals experiencing inflammatory bowel conditions such as IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. How to use rosemary? So, how can you make the most of rosemary's benefits? You can add it to your cooking or brew it as a tea by steeping fresh rosemary. Use 1 sprig of rosemary per 2 cups of water in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. Rosemary tea can be enjoyed 2 to 3 times a day, but remember to consult your doctor if you have any health conditions that might require caution. Whether you're adding rosemary to your dishes or sipping it as a tea, incorporating this herb into your routine can bring incredible benefits to both your body and mind. Just make sure to use it in moderation and consult a professional if you're unsure about any specific conditions. Possible side effects and contraindications. Rosemary tea is generally considered safe. However, consuming it in large quantities can lead to nausea and vomiting. Essential oils, including rosemary oil, should never be applied directly to the skin without proper dilution, as it may cause irritation, especially on open wounds. Furthermore, rosemary oil has the potential to trigger seizures in people with epilepsy. Individuals taking medication for high blood pressure should be cautious, as rosemary tea can lower blood pressure, potentially leading to complications. Likewise, those on diuretics should also be careful, as rosemary can cause electrolyte imbalances. Rosemary tea should be avoided by pregnant or breastfeeding women, as well as children under 5 years old. Individuals with liver disease should also refrain from consuming this tea since it may release bilirubin, potentially worsening the condition. Rosemary may also interact with certain medications, including anticoagulants, diuretics, lithium, and antihypertensives. If you're taking any of these, consult your doctor before using rosemary tea. Additionally, studies indicate that rosemary essential oil could trigger seizures in individuals with epilepsy. Therefore, if you have a history of epilepsy, use rosemary cautiously and only under medical supervision. Now, we want to hear from you. Were you aware of some of these benefits of rosemary? Share your experiences, questions, and tips in the comments. Let's build a community of knowledge about this powerful ingredient together. If you found this video helpful, please type yes in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next videos. Share with your friends and family so everyone can be aware of the incredible benefits of rosemary. And before you go, check out these 2 videos we selected especially for you. I think you'll love them. Have an awesome day and keep healthy. Bye.